Hey guys, quick comparison video between G20 and G20 Max. So the suction power is better for the G20, but both got 25,000. Then rated power is also better for G20 Max, 520. Battery capacity is better for G20, you can have 3,000. Comparing to G20 Max, here you can have 2,700. The runtime is kind of like similar on both sides, but again, it's like I have the Xiaomi vacuum cleaner, and from my own experience, the more you're going to use it, the time is going to be shorter, even like after 1 month. That has been like it's going to last, but the more you're going to use it, the less it's going to last. Charging time 3.5, similar. Touchscreen capacity 0.6. You have G20 Max is more heavier, so this is something that you have to be aware of. And special accessories, you have more for G20 Max. You can have also the pet brush. And the display, you have a LED color display for G20 Max, both anti-tangle brush, filtration 5-stage on both, LED light on the brush is a type 2. So that's pretty much it for this video, what you can actually expect about it. So have a great day and goodbye.